Hey everybody, how's it going out there? So, got a couple things, just kind of staying on the channel stuff. Trying to get some feedback on did the life's journey moving to My Moto Adventures help, or did you think it hurt going from life's dream, life's journey at 50 type of thing? Everybody says don't worry about the algorithm, all that stuff, but outside of a couple of videos since I turned over to the new, channel or whatever, viewership and stuff has gone dramatically down. Now, this is brutal. I like feedback and kind of understand, is it content? Is it the way I deliver things? Because I seem to put together stuff that is very similar to others out in the marketplace. And I feel like sometimes it hits and misses and don't understand why or what the component of it is. So any feedback would be great. If there's different content, different things that you think I should be focusing on, things that I should be doing differently, hey, I'm all up for suggestions. That's just part of getting some feedback or whatever. And I know there'll be people from, that'll tell me, maybe I should just quit and give up. I've had plenty of that. To people that'll say, no, keep doing the same thing. But sometimes the same thing doesn't always work. So it's kind of like one of those, what's that old adage, just you keep repeating and doing the same thing. Nothing ever changes. So, but I try to keep the content different. I've tried to do some different things with the channel. Again, change the name doesn't seem to have helped or anything. Actually, it seems it's made it worse, actually. So just kind of trying to figure out, and for those that have been around for a long time or even a short period of time, is there things that I could be doing differently that potentially could, help not only what I'm doing, but to help you guys? Like, is there things that you guys want me to talk about or like I said, topics or, reviews or anything like that? Again, just, trying to figure things out and stay a little bit relevant inside the community. I know I've taken a little bit of a break from doing everything. Some things have obviously changed just in general. And I talked about those early on, but, still want to stay doing this and have a passion for it. So just looking for some feedback. And if you guys could share anything would be fantastic. My good news on some of the fronts is, my son came back from the Middle East. He ended his extended deployment, which, we're very thankful for. Whatever your opinion is on that, it is what it is. But we're just thankful that he came back and everything was okay. He did face a lot of challenges over there during his deployment, as you guys probably know, just seeing the news all the time. And, things like that obviously take a little bit of burden off and just, life in general stuff. So, but anyway, I thought I would, pop back on here, try to understand, is there things that I could be doing differently? Is there subject matter? Is there anything else? I've got a bunch of, not a bunch of stuff, but like I said, I think I had a video on all the Spain stuff that we did. I talked a little bit about the 1300 GSA. If you didn't see that, please go back and check that out on kind of what the actual findings were and what ended up happening there. And then I'm doing the Montana BDR sometime in August, and that'll be coming down the pike as well. And so there's, just different things like that. And then I'll figure out whatever I'm going to do in the fall. There's a couple of things that I might try to get to if I can swing it or whatever. But let me know if there's anything that you'd like to see, anything you like, subjects or stuff that you would like to see me talk about. I'm open to anything. Just trying to see what the, folks out there like yourselves that are watching this, what you guys are interested in, and maybe I can try to customize some things that would, benefit all of us. So, all right. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.